In the heart of your kitchen, nestled among the familiar staples of pantry and fridge, lies an unassuming hero with a past shrouded in mystery and a present teeming with untold powers, the tomato. But this is no ordinary fruit. Wait a second, is it a fruit or a vegetable? Keep watching to find out. Although it does not matter since it's a globe-trotting enigma that has incited wars, sparked controversies, and charmed its way into the diets and hearts of cultures worldwide. Did you know, for instance, that this seemingly benign salad ingredient was once feared as a deadly poison in Europe, a symbol of seduction in Italy, and revered as a symbol of immortality in ancient Aztec culture? Oh, you didn't know? Well, there are still many other surprising things you don't know about this vegetable. Oh sorry, fruit. For those watching my videos for the first time, I am V and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube, where we talk about everything about health. But wait, there's more. Beyond the vibrant hues and juicy bursts of flavor lies a secret superpower, a hidden ability to cleanse not just your body but your precious metals too. Yes, you heard that right. This culinary chameleon, rich in natural acids, can transform tarnished brass and copper into gleaming treasures. And if you think that's all there is to this plump powerhouse, think again. In the depths of its red, pulpy flesh lies a world of health benefits that can revolutionize your well-being, from fighting cancers to rejuvenating your skin and hair. So, let's embark on a tantalizing journey through time, across continents, and into the very cells of this extraordinary fruit. The humble tomato is not just a part of your diet. It's a living, breathing legend in your kitchen, waiting to unleash its tales and talents. Are you ready to look at your next tomato with newfound awe and wonder? The story of the tomato is ripe for discovery, and what a deliciously thrilling tale it is. Let me start by telling you 10 facts you didn't know about tomatoes. Before that, let me clear your confusion. Tomatoes are fruits botanically but are considered as vegetables by nutritionists. You will know why soon. Back to our facts. Here are 10 lesser-known facts about tomatoes. Number 1. Origins in South America. Tomatoes are native to western South America. They were first cultivated by the Aztecs and Incas as early as 700 AD. 2. Botanical berry, culinary vegetable. Botanically, tomatoes are classified as a fruit, specifically a berry, because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. However, in the culinary world, they are treated as a vegetable. 3. Tomato genome. The tomato was the first major crop plant whose genome was fully sequenced, completed in 2012. This research offered insights into the fruit's flavor, nutrition, and growth process. 4. Tomatine content. Tomatoes contain tomatine, a glycoalkaloid found in the plant's leaves and stems that can be toxic in large quantities. However, it is generally not harmful in the fruit itself. 5. Varieties abound. There are over 10,000 varieties of tomatoes, ranging in size, shape, and color. They can be red, yellow, orange, green, purple, or even black. 6. Tomatoes in space. Tomatoes were one of the first vegetables to be grown in space. NASA scientists have been studying the growth of tomatoes in space as a potential food source for future long-duration missions. 7. Sun ripening myth. Contrary to popular belief, tomatoes do not need sunlight to ripen. Ripening is actually a chemical process that occurs in the fruit, independent of sunlight. 8. Lycopene content. Tomatoes are a major dietary source of lycopene, an antioxidant linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. 9. World's largest tomato plant. The world's largest tomato plant was grown in the experimental greenhouse at Walt Disney World Resort. It produced over 32,000 tomatoes in a single year. 10. Tomato festivals. There are numerous tomato festivals around the world, including the famous La Tomatina in Spain, where participants throw overripe tomatoes at each other. This is a health channel. Of course, we will talk about the health benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only a versatile culinary ingredient but also offer a variety of health benefits, which include but not limited to: rich in antioxidants. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants, including lycopene, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, especially certain types of cancers. Heart health. The potassium and vitamin B in tomatoes help to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. Skin health. Lycopene in tomatoes can also protect the skin from sunburn and UV light-induced damage. Vision support. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein, which are beneficial for maintaining good vision and protecting against age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Digestive health. The fiber in tomatoes aids in promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Blood sugar regulation. The chromium in tomatoes helps to regulate blood sugar, beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Immune function. High in vitamin C, tomatoes can boost the immune system and help in the prevention of common infections and diseases. Bone health. Vitamin K and calcium in tomatoes contribute to strengthening and repairing bones, as well as improving bone mass. Reduced risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene has been specifically linked to reducing the risk of prostate cancer. If you want to know more about prostate cancer, check my channel for the video on prostate cancer. Anti-inflammatory properties. Tomatoes contain bioflavonoids and carotenoids, which are known to have anti-inflammatory properties. Prevention of blood clotting. The nutrients in tomatoes can help reduce the aggregation of platelets in the blood, thus preventing conditions like deep vein thrombosis. Weight loss aid. Being low in calories, high in water content, and rich in fiber, tomatoes can make you feel full, aiding in weight loss efforts. Improved hair health. Vitamin A in tomatoes works to keep hair strong and shiny. Detoxification. Due to their high water content and certain compounds like chlorine and sulfur, tomatoes can help stimulate the kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Neurological health. Tomatoes contain folic acid, which is beneficial for improving brain function and can play a role in reducing the risk of cognitive disorders. Remember, while tomatoes offer these health benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. For individuals with specific health conditions, such as acid reflux or kidney problems, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider about the appropriate intake of tomatoes. Well, do you also know that tomatoes have hidden and unknown benefits like natural skin treatment? Tomatoes can be used for skincare due to their lycopene content, which is beneficial for the skin. They can help in reducing acne and sunburns. Applying tomato pulp or juice on the skin can act as a natural astringent, help shrink large pores, and restore the skin's natural oil balance. Hair health. The acidity in tomatoes can balance the pH level in your hair, which can treat conditions like dandruff and itchy scalp. Applying tomato juice or pulp directly to the hair and scalp can rejuvenate the hair's appearance. Metal cleaner. Tomatoes contain natural acids like citric and malic acid, which can be effective in cleaning metal surfaces. The acid in tomatoes can help in removing tarnish from brass and copper. Rubbing a sliced tomato or tomato paste on these metals and then rinsing it off can bring back their shine. Odor neutralizer. Tomato juice is a well-known remedy for neutralizing skunk odor. The acids in tomatoes can neutralize the chemical compounds in skunk spray. If clothes or skin get sprayed by a skunk, washing them with tomato juice can help remove the odor. Plant protector. Tomato leaves can be used to create a natural insect repellent for the garden. The leaves contain compounds that are toxic to some insects. By steeping the leaves in water and using the strained mixture as a spray, gardeners can help protect their plants from pests. I bet you never heard of those. While these uses are creative and can be effective, it's important to note that they are more traditional or home remedy approaches and may vary in effectiveness. For certain applications, especially for skin and hair treatment, it's wise to do a patch test first to ensure there is no adverse reaction. Now, I always talk about how we can heal your body by natural means, by incorporating fruits and vegetables to our diet. Here are diseases where adding tomatoes to your diet might be beneficial. Heart disease. Tomatoes are rich in potassium and antioxidants like lycopene, which help reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, thereby reducing heart disease risk. Cancer. The high levels of antioxidants, especially lycopene, have been linked to reduced risk of several cancers, including prostate, breast, and lung cancer. Diabetes. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index and contain chromium, which helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Vision problems. Rich in beta-carotene, lycopene, and lutein, Tomatoes can help improve vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. High blood pressure. The potassium in tomatoes helps to lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Digestive disorders. Due to their fiber content, tomatoes aid in digestion and can help prevent constipation and colorectal cancer. Skin diseases. The vitamins and antioxidants in tomatoes can help in maintaining healthy skin, and can even protect against sunburns. Bone health. Vitamins like vitamin K and calcium in tomatoes contribute to strengthening bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Chronic inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of tomatoes can be beneficial in conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Kidney stones and gallstones. Regular consumption of tomatoes can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and gallstones. While it might be beneficial in some diseases, eating tomatoes when you have these diseases I want to talk about might be problematic. Acid reflux or GERD. Tomatoes are acidic, which can worsen symptoms in individuals suffering from acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Tomato allergy. Some people are allergic to tomatoes, experiencing symptoms like hives, skin rashes, or even anaphylaxis. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The fructose and fiber in tomatoes can aggravate IBS in some individuals. Kidney problems. High in potassium. Tomatoes might not be suitable for those with kidney diseases where potassium levels need to be monitored. Arthritis. In some cases, the solanine in tomatoes can potentially exacerbate inflammation associated with arthritis. Bladder problems. Tomatoes can irritate the bladder in some people, potentially worsening symptoms of conditions like interstitial cystitis. Migraines. Some people find that acidic foods like tomatoes can trigger migraines. Autoimmune diseases. In certain autoimmune conditions, like lupus, tomatoes might exacerbate symptoms due to their immune-boosting properties. Gastritis. Due to their acidity, tomatoes can irritate the stomach lining, potentially aggravating gastritis. Histamine intolerance. Tomatoes are high in histamines, which can be a problem for people with histamine intolerance. It's important to remember that individual reactions can vary, and what might be beneficial for one person could be problematic for another. Consulting with a healthcare provider is always recommended when considering dietary changes, especially for those with existing health conditions. In conclusion, the humble tomato is a remarkable and multifaceted fruit that plays a significant role in both culinary and health arenas. Understanding the dual nature of tomatoes highlights the importance of personalized nutrition and the need to consider individual health circumstances when making dietary choices. As with many foods, the key lies in balance and moderation. The story of the tomato, therefore, is not just one of universal benefit, but a reminder of the complex and individualized relationship we have with the foods we eat. Whether enjoyed in a salad, stew, or as part of a skincare routine, tomatoes continue to fascinate and nourish us in myriad ways, deserving a place of respect and appreciation in our diets and lives. Thank you for making it this far in this video. Now you have learnt new things. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I also encourage you to comment by asking questions or even criticize the video if you thought it could be better. We learn every day. I wish you all a very beautiful and healthy life. See you in my next video.